How many years have you repented? Maybe a year. Maybe 1 year. Maybe. That is even maybe. You've not even started. Many of us, a stage will come, you will reach a stage, you know the truth, but you are still wounded in the flesh. You still have a weakness that you are struggling with. Then you'll be like, how is that possible? That's when you have to seek Elohim for your own self, not according to what is written. Because he always, like Paul, he always leaves a certain wound, a certain emptiness in his people, so that you will feel convicted to seek him for yourself. But when you can't stop it, then you become serious. You want to have an encounter with him, for him to help you. He's different than knowing him from books. You can know the truth, but you are not holy. It's 100% possible. So sometimes we might have some challenges, some weakness. It's good that you have it. Pray and fast and cry unto him, so that he himself will have compassion upon you. Sometimes I might have the question, well, I'm struggling. I'm like, yeah, I know, but it's good. Continue praying, so that you will have that personal relationship with him. Otherwise, you will only be legalistic, looking around. You wear trousers, go to hell. You have no hope to go to hell. It doesn't work like that. Amen. So it is something that we must know. It is not that simple. That's why the scripture said that we have to be vigilant lest we fall.